You're gonna tear down a turbo and rebuild it as fast as you can blindfolded.
No, you can't. I can do it blindfolded and you can't.
I bet you I can do that.
Let's find out.
That's what I learned.
Oh, did you? I think I'm ready.
Yeah, it's dark in there.
Go.
Hey, old man, you done yet?
There it is. Right, this isn't as easy as I thought.
Years long. Staring at it.
No, this is quite comical.
If you think it's funny,
Yeah.
wait till you see what we see.
Oh, I can't wait. Man, I hope this is on here. Where did I put my gun? Yes. Oh no. I'm starting to feel a little lightheaded, guys.
Stop hyperventilating.
Dude, I cannot find my collar and slinger. Did I drop my collar and slinger? There it is. Done.
Take a breather.
Holy cow, what a mess.
That was pretty good.
That took a long time.
Yes, sir. All right, Grandpa, let's see it. Go.
Oh, this is harder than it looks.
That sounds familiar.
What size is this?
You're going strong. You're about halfway there.
Shut up, peanut gallery.
You need my assistance.
Looks good to me. Maverick, watch out. Aha. Can't hear you. Too dark. Fine.
And the winner is Morgan!
Hell yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on a second. That was tear down.
So,
I bet you I can build it faster than you can.
get your wrenches. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Come on, old man.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
Go!
It really is. You gotta remember where I put everything. There it is.
What do you mean you earned my touch?
Yeah.
How do you
Yeah. Oh no. Which way is this?
This way. What? Yes.
Woo! This box is really getting in my way, guys. Nope. Where am I? Here we go. My 8 mil. There it is. No. Don't make fun of my fancy torque wrench. This is gonna suck. Is it on there?
Yeah.
You? Where? Got it. Whoa. Oh! Hey, you remember that nut I let you borrow?
Yeah. I'll give you 2 nuts actually.
I don't want those nuts.
It's hot in here.
We'll put it back together.
20 seconds max.
Say go.
Ready?
Ready.
Set. Go.
More hot, on fire. There it is.
Give me collar slinger.
Collar Slinger. Coming up. What did you do with it?
Actually, they might be over here. Oh, and the thrust bearing. Probably. Oh, no. Is no one else looking for?
There it is. Oh, right there.
Oh, man. Don't
No,
burp in
not
here.
in the.
Don't burp in the box.
Yeah, hold on, I got you.
Got the wood. This is how good we are at our jobs, you said? I thought I could do this.
You are.
It spins, it shifts.
Yep.
We're good there.
And driving?
Well, we are waiting. Thank you.
Yep.
I mean, as much as you can with a box on your head.
Look at that. You found it first time.
Thank you, sir. Slide.
All right, the second winner is Morgan. Sorry, dude.
Right here.
You did well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. How do they look? Good game, sir.
Now, we're not sending out these turbos, guys. We're gonna have these ones torn down and properly reassembled. But you can trust KC Turbos knowing that if these guys can build it blindfolded, we know we can build one hell of a product when we can see. So, see you guys next time. Thank you. Peace.